Hi, I'm Kev from TDN. Today we're going to be reviewing the PullDog Slide Hammer. This is the original adjustable tension slide hammer. Very good tool in the sense that we can shorten the shaft by removing this grub screw here. So we can actually shorten the shaft by, say, a good 2 to 3 inches. Nicely weighted tool, but the most unique feature about this is this adjustable tension spring here. By winding the end here, we can increase or decrease the tension. So as we come up with the slide hammer, as opposed to getting that solid metal on metal feel, what this spring will do, it will actually absorb some of the shock, giving us a much stronger pull on our glue tab. So a fantastic tool. It can also be wound right the way down, so it takes all of this tension out of the spring, so you do get that snap pull should you wish for it. Standard style head. So it's not a pass-through head, it's a standard one, so your tab won't fall off and go onto the floor. So that is the United Masters PullDog Slide Hammer. For more information on this tool, please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.